Welcome to Kanye CRP. In order to create a breakdown notification, first access MNTT03 breakdown notifications list transaction. In this transaction, click New button. Here, enter company, plant, and the breakdown type information. Then, click Confirm button. On this screen, enter information such as the machine or equipment, after that, enter the serial number, after doing this, you can complete the rest of the information such as the assignment date, appointment date, target start date. Enter a short description for the notification. Then click Save button. The breakdown notification record will be created.